So when COVID first hit, I decided to cover my keyboard case with this kind of off green screen color fabric I had, and it was perfect. It worked great, but every time I changed my setups, the wires and everything I had to stick underneath the the cloth, the linen, whatever fabric it is, and it got annoying. So I decided to cut out a piece of plywood and then paint it with this, I think it's called green apple, sparkling green apple, Behr, and you can get it at Home Depot. I just got a sample size, it was plenty. I still have a little bit left over, and it works great. So this video of me using two Nintendo DS IXLs with the Korg DS10 is a song called Spoon Me, and all I did was use some like glitch video in the background, but I Chroma keyed it out with this green material in the back. And these photos are just me painting and sizing up the board. Had some family members help me cut it to get the right size. So it sits nicely on the styrofoam inside the case. So yeah, a couple of things I wanted to do in this case was have everything kind of permanent. So I wanted to put Velcro on the back of everything, like the 6 plug and the mixer and power adapter, so it wasn't like falling around in case we play live shows again ever. But once I started doing that, I realized that the black tape, I could not, or the black Velcro, I could not put that on the green screen. So I bought some green Velcro as well, with the color's a little different, so I'll have to use the color picker and LumaFusion to get it right. This is just me showing you like how the green screen works. A couple just videos and pics. It's not always perfect, so you can see like the headphones there are going out, and some of the DS10 or the DS is kind of funny, but you could adjust that in the settings in LumaFusion. But I mean, it's not perfect when you're not using exact chroma key color. See it on the outside? It's kind of like vibrating, but I also kind of like that lo-fi look, so it's fine for me. But I did buy a green screen background for when I'm doing talking videos like this, although I'm not going to show you my face right now because I just discovered that my mic has never been recording in my setup. I've been running audio through this hub you see right here, this Kensington hub, into my iPad, and all the audio, even though it was routed, was not being recorded. It was just using the iPad mic. So yeah, I had to figure out something different for that. As far as advice about green screen, this paint is awesome, but definitely you want to do like multiple layers, nice and thick. And when using like material, like I was saying, you don't want light to come through it or it'll screw up the green screen, which probably happened in some of these videos, and also why it's kind of doing that vibrating thing. But when I bought that background that I was just talking about, that backdrop, I made sure it was a really thick one. Here's a quick walkthrough of what LumaFusion looks like. So I already have my 2 layers in. I have my green screen right here, the Korg DS10 on top of the green screen, and the background's underneath. So I'm chroma keying it out. I use the little picker there to get the right color. And then I just mess with all these settings until it looks decent enough. But once you hit play on the video, you'll notice other things disappear, and you'll have green screen cutting in and out. So it's not like a perfect thing. That's why I said the color is very important, and I don't have nearly as much trouble once I switch to the paint. And here's some audio again. All right, yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.